Dell Sonya Curry coin flip to see who roots for Seth, Steph in Western Conference Finals. So the phrase I want to look at here is roots for. And root for means to support or cheer a person on. Okay? So in this case, as you may know, Dell and Sonya Curry, they are the parents of Seth Curry, who plays for the Portland Blazers, and Steph Curry, who plays for the Golden State Warriors. And they are playing against each other right now in the Western Conference Finals. So they're in a little dilemma. Both of their sons are playing against each other. Who do they support? So that's what this means. They flip a coin to see who they'll root for. Okay? So what are some example sentences here? You can say, I'm rooting for you, which means I'm supporting you, I'm cheering you on. Or you can say, I'm rooting for England this year. Yeah. Or you can say, we're all rooting for you. Good luck. Okay? So hopefully this gives you a little idea of what root for means and how you can use it in a sentence. And as usual, if you'd like to see the full article, you can just click on the link below.